Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account identity and enabling two-factor authentication so only you can proceed. Once authenticated, list exactly what you will delete: files, snapshots, databases, DNS records, and why each item must go. Export backups or legal copies now, because once removed they may be unrecoverable. Make sure to check retention windows and current billing cycles. Now, move to the Service Console, or CLI, and prepare the first resource for removal. You should stop services and detach all dependencies first, because orphan references cause failures and extra costs. Next, delete compute instances, then storage buckets, then databases in that dependency order to avoid broken links. Use CLI scripts or infrastructure as code to run deletions consistently and watch for asynchronous jobs like snapshot pruning. Wait for confirmations before continuing. If a resource is locked, inspect IAM policies and resource locks, then remove those controls so deletion can complete. You finish by verifying deletion logs, confirming billing adjustments, and ensuring DNS changes have propagated. This prevents surprises later. Then remove or disable IAM users, API keys, and OAuth grants, and rotate any secrets that were exposed during the process. If a resource won't delete, check for locks, billing holds, or dependent services that still reference it, because these are the most common blockers. Resolving those lets you retry. Finally, document what you remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.